Welcome back. It's day 2 on working on my wing. Today I'm going to be sanding it and making it look better and maybe bending it out a little bit. I still don't think I'll be able to put it on today. I still don't have any 3M. Anyways, gonna start sanding. Anyways. Move this back a bit. Let's start sanding this. I want to make it much. I don't really know the best approach for this. I think I'm just gonna start. This is getting all over my shirt. I like this shirt. One piece is done.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the anime.
No, that's still going. It's not as smooth as I wanted it to be. I don't know how to get these edges, like this one right here. I don't have a file. Do we have a file? We don't have a file. Okay, next piece. I have a lot of pieces that I need to cut off, so I'm just gonna try to use a handsaw to get it off. Hopefully it's not too hard. That worked pretty well. Alright. Got a sander, got the homie OXCAR. This will hopefully make my job a lot easier. I'm struggling along.
You have been sanding this with hand since?
Yeah.
Damn.
I just finished almost all of it.
You got strength, bro.
I didn't have the tool. I think I do have a hand sander, didn't? Oh, maybe my uncle took that.
When it's getting bad again. You got candy? Is this how your fingers? Huh? Is this how your fingers?
It's a key.
Yep. Like,
I'm gonna clean this up and wrap it, and then I'll put my logo down here. And then I think I'm gonna, I don't know which color I should do it in. This is not gonna fit. I'm gonna do a blue. Yeah, that just about fits. I'm gonna do this color, but first I gotta clean it up and get it set.
if I prove to you that I can drive manually, do it.
It's true, you can't even drive manual. I forgot.
I can drive manually, but no one believes me.
No, you're scared.
Let me drive your car. I'll show you right now.
Huh?
Let me drive your car. I'll show you.
The car is not even here.
You're gonna go, wow.
I remember when they told you to hop in on the Electra. You were so scared.
And I did it.
Ah, now you did actually do it.
Grace,
I think you did it, yes.
Grace told me to drive it for the whole day. And I drove it the whole day. He got me in the rain. And that's how I learned.
The rain?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told him like just do it. That's the only way you're gonna learn.
And I did it. The whole day I was driving. I drove there for like 4 hours. I told the gas and I left.
You know you should listen to your own advice.
Well, I need a bike first. We had the manual. I don't have my own bike.
Which is scary.
Yeah. And like I don't want to wreck your bike, man.
That's true because any little thing you do on the bike, it's gone.
Yeah.
And it's gone.
Like a total?
Pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much. Like a helmet. Like a helmet falls on the ground.
Once it's done. Just once, bro.
Like even by accident?
Yeah. If you drop it once, even like this much, it's done.
Well, like what happens to it?
It's since it gets impact on it, right? It loses its integrity. Like it's not fully 100% anymore.
Yeah, because there's food inside.
And do you want it to not be 100% if it's literally your life? Know how to do this comfortably. Ooh, look at that crisp cut. Yeah, I'm actually shaking a little bit.
Yeah, I can tell. I saw your hands. You're not the only one shaking. I am shaking too because if anything goes wrong,
Yo, I know. That's another reason, bro.
but that's what I'm telling you to relax because
I know.
the
Like,
more
the more I
the more
freak out,
afraid you are,
the more chance of
the more chance, yeah. Because with a bike, right? If you are scared, you're not gonna learn anything.
But also, like, you know, it's like if I'm too confident, you know, I think that's also gonna fuck me up.
Yeah,
too.
yeah. If you're too
So
confident.
that's like, I don't know where the in between is.
The in between is just, take it easy.
Not
That's
being
it.
a bitch.
And don't think about it. Don't think about many things. Just think about one thing. You focus on one thing. Clutch. If I make a mistake, kill switch. All those things.
Anyways, this is done. I think that's gonna be it for today. I can't hear me. Let's go. And I'm done wrapping it, and the rest of it is all sanded, ready to go. I don't think I'm gonna try to put it on today because it's raining.
Nice weather.
Yeah, the weather just turned to shit all of a sudden. It was literally sunny at the beginning of the video. And my brothers are working on his stuff, so it doesn't look like we can get any more work done today. Oscar's behind the camera. Go subscribe to his channel. But anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I rode that bike, almost fucking died. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Don't forget to subscribe.